This is actually, we are doing a cleaning drive initiative as part of Joy of Giving.
Okay.
So the whole world is celebrating Joy of Giving. So Joy of Giving means giving something to the society. So these children are going to give back to society, and they are going to create awareness about the waste management, and they will be cleaning this whole area today.
These children are from which school or
They are from Bethesda Life Center, which is a childcare institution registered under Juvenile Justice Act. So these children are from that childcare center.
what basically you all will be doing here?
We'll be creating, there will be a rally first, then followed by a cleaning drive. So children would be picking up plastics, and we'll be talking to community people about usage of plastics and all.
Our motive is very simple. Basically, Joy of Giving is celebrated all over the world. But why we took this initiative is because these children are from childcare institutes. So most of the time they are seen as the receivers, but that's not the fact. Like even they are the givers. So whatever initiatives they have, they are now, this is their initiative. So they have a small skit also prepared, which wherever we are going to get time, we are going to perform. They had performed the same skit today in the Gram Sabha that happened. So these children have come up with the idea of cleaning and all. So I think that's a great initiative coming from the children, and environment is a main focus for today. Cleaning environment is a main focus for today, because all of us need to make sure that we are doing our bit. So these children are going to create that awareness.
What's your good name?
Malvika. Malvika Mirashi.
And your designation?
I'm Program Officer of CSH, Catalyst for Social Action.
Thank you.